Alright y'all, so today I'm bringing you another simple recipe. We got some garlic Parmesan chicken pasta. For this, we've got some chicken breast here. We got 3. We have 16-ounce bag of panini pasta. We got some milk. We got some Parmesan cheese. And we're going simple on the seasoning today. We got some white pepper, some oregano, some whipping cream, and some minced garlic. First things first, we need to get this chicken seasoned and let it start to set up. Alright, so first things first, we're just going to go ahead and cube up our chicken. Then we're just going to move that to a bowl real quick. And we're going to do all 3 breasts. Now to our chicken, we're going to add a teaspoon of our white pepper and 2 tablespoons of oregano. Now we're just going to go ahead, give this a good toss until everything is evenly coated. Now this is a 1-pot dish, so let's go over to the stove. Alright y'all, so we are now cooking our chicken in our stove pot. We put just enough oil, olive oil, on the bottom of this to coat the bottom of the pan and also coat the chicken as it cooks. And we're cooking this on a medium-high heat. Alright, so now that our chicken's about halfway there, we're going to dump in 4 tablespoons of our garlic. Alright y'all, so I just realized that I missed something on the ingredient list, and that is chicken broth. So once our chicken is mostly cooked all the way through, because it'll continue to cook over the next half hour, we're going to add in 4 cups of our chicken broth. Again, I apologize for forgetting that. And now in here, we've got a mixture of 1 cup cream and 1 cup milk. Just go ahead, dump that in. Alright y'all, so once we have our cream and chicken broth and milk in here, we're just going to let this come up to a simmer. And at that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so we have brought this to a more of a boil than a simmer. I just decided to let it come up and cook a little longer, just to make sure. I mean, that chicken's going to be done, more than done. But, you know, I just wanted to be on the safe side. So now we're going to take our 16 ounces of panini pasta and just dump that in, and we're going to cook it how you're supposed to cook it. So ours is, you know, from anywhere from 7 to 9 minutes, so that's about what we'll do. You know, I prefer a really tender noodle, but if you like an al dente noodle, go for it. But I'll bring you back when our noodles are done. Alright y'all, so our noodles are cooked. We've cut the heat. We've got 6 ounces of Parmesan cheese here. We're using pre-grated. If you're using freshly grated, you can use 6 ounces. If you want a little more cheesy, you can always add more Parmesan cheese if you like. That's completely up to you. If you're using freshly grated Parmesan cheese, it's still about 6 ounces. Unless you want a little more cheese. I mean, it's your pasta. If you want it a little more creamier, you can always go ahead and add some more cream or milk. Either or will work. But once you have the cheese melted in and completely dissolved and mixed in, we're going to go ahead and remove this from heat, serve it up. So let me do that, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, and there you have it. Chicken, garlic, Parmesan pasta. If you like this recipe, go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button down below. And if there's anything you want to see cooked on this channel in the future, go ahead, leave a comment below. And until next time, keep on cooking on.